Hello dear students, CA Dipti Chheda here. Are you confused how to prepare the accounting standards for Group 1, Group 2, CA Inter? Then watch this video till end, right? Last 20 years I have been teaching. I have seen CA Foundation, CPT, again CA Foundation, PCC, IPCC and now CA Inter. Of course I can't say talk about the paper pattern and all, but definitely we can see how to prepare accounting standards. First question is, do you know what is the weightage of accounting standards? In 100 marks paper, bare minimum 20 marks is the accounting standards, right? And these accounting standards are coming in question number 1 for 5 into 4 marks. Okay, not all the 4 are accounting standards, but at least 2 or 3. And again in the last question also, which you have it in choice. So bare minimum 15 to 20 marks are there for accounting standards. And anyways, same accounting standards are there in CA final also, right? As Ind AS. Ind AS is little broader version of accounting standards. So make sure you prepare accounting standards very well. Now I'm talking group wise. So let me talk first for advanced accounting, my choice. Advanced accounting, very important is bifurcate your accounting standards into theory and practical. Take a notepad and note down what I'm saying. If you're watching this video, then pause it, write it down what I'm saying. AS accounting standard 4, 5, right? AS 9. If I go on saying the names and all, it will go too long. But AS 4, 5, net profit and all, contingencies, AS 9. These are the accounting standards wherein very in-depth questions, case studies are asked. So you need to prepare very thoroughly the language of these accounting standards. And those who are writing group 2, note it down, AS 4, 5 and AS 9. These 3 are very, very important for your auditing exam also. You already have essays on contingencies and all this, right? Okay. Now coming to other accounting standards for the advanced accounting paper, highlighted way for sure questions are asked, practical questions when it is coming to AS 19 or you can say your AS 20, earning per share, lease. Then what is unearned finance income? In earning per share, what is diluted earning? Right factor. These are the questions asked in question number 1 only. So make sure that you practice lot problems to get into the steps of AS 19 and 20. When it is coming to segmental reporting, simple questions are asked for that 10%. When it is coming to AS 22, deferred tax liability and all, practical questions are asked. Sometimes theory, the permanent difference and the timing difference. Are you getting an idea? If you are liking it, comment at the video. And if you feel, ma'am, something more you have missed out, put it in the chat box below the video. I will clear your doubt here, right? So make sure that how you are preparing every accounting standard. You should know the title. You should know the applicability. You should know the exceptions. So many times straight question is asked in exam. Exceptions wherein this accounting standard is not applicable. Right? Like revenue recognition is not applicable for construction company because we have AS 7 for it separate. Then we have the core treatment of the AS and then the disclosure norms. Right? So whenever you ask case studies questions based on 4, 5, 9 and all, you quote as per AS, then the provision and so in the given case and conclusion. It's okay if you're answering in points. Okay. So I think I have given you an overview on how to prepare the accounting standards. Related party disclosures is also there in the new syllabus in the advanced accounting. So make sure that you practice that directors and all the questions. And accounting standards best is past 4 exams, papers and RTPs, 4 into 2. 8 questions, you do it thoroughly. And one tip, you may not know, then you should know. If you are reading advanced accounting in new syllabus, take this tip carefully. Then refer old syllabus practice manual for additional questions. For sure, I'm telling you. AS 26, intangible assets, or that win-loss cases, or AS 29 in the new syllabus. But the questions are very in-depth and good because they were there in the old syllabus, also in the practice manual. So practice and go all the questions. Ma'am, that is not applicable to us. Fine. They have given the new book and behind that also the questions are given. But it is very good. Okay. So more number of problems you practice for 19, 20, 26. More case studies you practice for 4, 5. Now coming to group 1, accounts, accounting standard. Accounting standard baad mein aayega. One theory question is asked. How accounting standards are prepared, what are advantages, disadvantages, influences. There's at least 30 pages theory from which one 5 marks base level question on accounting standards will be asked, not specifically of any accounting standards. And from other accounting standards, property, plant and equipment is important. AS 12, government grant, they are asking you to work the questions. So some theory and some practice. When it is theory, write and see the language. Any 1 or 2 question, it will take 10 minutes. And compare your answer with the suggested to see where you are lacking. Right? And where it is coming to practical, practice more questions. And very important thing is, please give to the point answers for accounting standard. In the mock test paper, corrections I have seen many times. If they ask that you have received a government grant related to fixed asset, 3 years you deducted it from asset, depreciated, and after that 4th year it is refunded. And they are asking you the refund entry and the depreciation henceforth. Then do all that in working. First year minus depreciation, what is today's value, add back when you refund the government grant fixed asset to bank, and depreciation is charged prospectively. So please just write the refund entry and the prospective depreciation. Don't go on writing 3 years entries and 1.5 and 2 pages. You're wasting your time. And anyways, extra questions are not corrected. So you have a choice. So go by the choice and answer only the required questions. Right? If you feel you're confident about AS 19, 20, ma'am, jo question dekha tha wohi aa gaya, hit it, answer it. Otherwise, it's not compulsory to answer question number 1 first. Of course, question number 1 is compulsory to answer, but it's your choice where you want to do it. I hope these all tips for accounts and advanced accounting are helpful for all the upcoming exams. More videos I'm trying to make and boost you all. You all are preparing very well. Work hard, stay positive. This degree is really worth working for. Any professional degree will give you a superb life after 5 years. So wish you very all the best. Thank you so much for watching the video till end, and do subscribe my channel for all the videos. Like it, and if you feel this accounting standards will clear the confusion of your friends, do share it with them. Bye bye.